Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll have day and night video footage from three different 3-channel dash cameras that I've recently tested and reviewed on my channel. First off is the VIOFO A329S. Second I have the VUEROID S1-4K Infinite. And third I have the 70mm T800. I'm starting off with some daytime footage from the front cameras with the CPL filters installed, reducing the glare from the reflection in the windshield, and I have their HDR features enabled. If you look at the timestamp in the T800 footage, you'll notice it's ahead by 1 hour compared to the other video samples. That's my own error because I failed to disable daylight saving time when I reinstalled this dash camera to gather this footage. Moving on to the rear camera video samples, the VIOFO and VUEROID dash cameras have 2K rear cameras, while the 70mm T800 has a 4K rear camera. Moving on to the interior camera video samples, there's a 2K quad high definition camera with the VIOFO A329S, while the VUEROID and 70mm cameras have a 1080p or full high definition interior camera. For the nighttime video samples for the interior cameras, I drove a route 3 different times, each time having one of the 3 interior cameras having its infrared LEDs enabled so that the image wouldn't be over brightened by the other camera's infrared LEDs on that particular loop. For this set of video samples, I'm driving on a section of road that has a small amount of ambient light coming into the vehicle, so you can see how the cameras handle that situation. And for this last section of video samples for the interior camera, I'm driving on a section of road that's a very dark rural road, so you can see how the interior cameras handle that situation. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this one. If you're considering purchasing one of these dash cameras, check out this video's description section for affiliate links that I have for these dash cameras. It's a great way of supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for coming and checking out the video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.